So now we have finished doing all the iteration, okay, for all the stages. So basically we have 3 stages. We start from stage 3, go to stage 2, and finally stage 1, because we are doing the backward recursion. So what is the maximum value? So in this case, remember, we want to find the maximum value, the maximum return. Okay, so you compare between 0, 40, 31, 47, and 62. So basically 62 is the maximum value. Okay, and so what does it mean? It means that x1 equals to 4, and the unit of item 1 is 2. Okay, means that we have to take 2 units of item 1. How about the other item? Should we get it also? Okay, so basically how do we know about this one? So remember, in stage 3 we have our function. Okay, stage 3 we have to 31. Okay, so maximum of 1 and 1 plus f2 x1 minus 2m1. Okay, so basically once you got 62, and then you have m1 equals to 2 and x1 equals to 4, substitute this value, okay, x1 equals to 4 and m1 equals to 2 into this equation. Okay, because this one is actually x2 equals to x1 minus 2m1. Okay, because this is the one that link stage 1 and stage 2 together. So x1 equals to 4 minus 2 times m1 equals to 2. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So we know that our x2 equals to 0. So when we go to stage 2, look at x2 equals to 0. So at stage 2, when x2 equals to 0, the value of m2 is also 0. Now we use this value, okay, x2 equals to 0 and m2 equals to 0, and substitute this into the function at stage 2. Okay, so let me rewrite this. The function at stage 2, before this, f2 x2, you have maximum of 7 m2 plus m3, which is x2 minus 3m2. Okay, 3 here is the weight for item number 2. Okay, so now the whole thing here is actually x3. Okay, because we want to link stage 2 to stage 3. Okay, so but what we want to know, what is the value of x3? So in this case, x3 equals to x2 minus 3m2. So x2 equals to 0 minus 3m2. Now m2 also equals to 0. So basically 0 minus 0 is 0. So we know that we have to look at x3 equals to 0 for our next stage, okay, when for stage 3. So at stage 3, when x3 equals to 0, the value of m3 is also 0. So basically, remember, we start from stage 1. Okay, at stage 1, we got the maximum value is 62. Okay, and at that stage 1, we got the unit of m1 is 2 unit, and then from there we move on to stage 2, where we got the value of m2 supposed to be 0, and finally we go to stage 3, where we got the value of item 3 is also 0. Okay, so basically this is our maximum solution. Okay, means that you have to choose 2 units of item 1, 0 unit of item 2, and also 0 unit of item 3. And in this case, you will have 62 as your maximum return.